Look at those delicious pieces of meat. It's not just a culinary treat, but also an adventure through delicious tastes and aromas. Let them make your meal even more special. With sweet and fragrant meat, tuna offers a unique culinary experience, making each piece of meat watery and melt in the mouth. The high nutrition and unique flavor of tuna make it a favorite choice for many food lovers. In addition, tuna is also a source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, important for heart and brain health. The variety of tuna processing from sashimi to grilled, raised or cooked in soup all brings richness and appeal to the meal. Automatic saws for cutting frozen and fresh products, with or without bones, RA. Cutting frozen and fresh produce is faster and more efficient than ever, helping to optimize production processes and reduce waste. The versatility of this automatic saw allows it to process both bone-in and boneless products, from poultry and beef to salmon and tuna. This creates a diverse selection for food manufacturers and restaurants, helping them increase production efficiency and respond quickly to market needs. Look at the sharp blade cutting those pork ribs in half. It is a strong and flexible image of professionalism and sophistication in food art. Each cut of the blade is not only an emphasis on the precision and technique of the chef, but also a symbol of strength and sharpness in the cooking process. The tip of the blade moves through each part of the meat with smoothness and delicacy, creating thin, smooth and uniform slices of meat. Each slice of pork ribs is not only a dish, but also a work of art, technique and enthusiasm. The combination of the sophistication of the blade and the freshness of the pork ribs creates an unforgettable culinary experience. Have you enjoyed the taste of salmon? It's a wonderful culinary experience not to be missed. Salmon is not only a utmost care. It performs 3 sequential steps, aligning the fruit, separating the stem and removing the fruit from the stem. This machine spreads thin layers of cream on the cake perfectly. A glimpse into making a leather tote. Joining 2 workpieces without melting the material has never been easier. Another baking line will keep you glued. The sorting and packaging machine handles over 27,000 cucumbers per hour, significantly reducing the required labor. Badminton rackets must reach stability before being shipped. I just have to say this cone-shaped pizza looks really tempting. To get shaved ice, all you need to do is put the An appealing experience for your eyes, but also stimulate the taste buds and create a feeling of excitement for consumers. These colorful cakes are not only a food product, but also a stylish work of art. The cakes on the line are truly a work of art full of color and creativity. With a sophisticated combination of quality ingredients and advanced production technology, the AXS cake line not only captivates the taste buds, but the combination of unique flavors and beautiful shapes makes each cake special and memorable in the hearts of those who enjoy it. From bright, attractive colors to unique and sophisticated shapes, each cake on the AXS line is a unique work, demonstrating the sophistication and high quality of the production process. With the AXS cake line, you not only enjoy great flavors, but also experience a feeling of newness and excitement every time you see these colorful and attractive cakes on the production line. With the ability to create dumplings with diverse and beautiful shapes, the machine not only helps improve product quality, but also